Hi friends, welcome to S&D Innovations. Today in this video I'll show you how to make a very small Bluetooth speaker but stereo type. So we will not waste your time. Let's start the project. So friend, to make a small Bluetooth speaker you must require this following item: 2 numbers of speaker, woofer of 3 watt, 1 power switch, 1 500 mAh battery, PAM IC, amplifier IC, you can see it here, PAM8403 PAM, a Bluetooth receiver, and a charging circuit. You also require a PVC pipe like this, about 80 mm in long, and 50 mm in dia, 48 mm in dia. So friend, I have cut this pipe in like this way to make all the arrangement inside it. So friend, I have installed the speakers, the battery and charging unit. You can see I have attached Bluetooth and Bluetooth amplifier unit together. Connection is quite easy, you can see it here. And the left speaker will be connected with left side and the right speaker will be connected with the right side. So after completing, it will look like this. And the total circuit part building is completed. Now I will install a cover with a hole which will work as a. And I think all of you have liked this video, so please subscribe S&D Innovations and help me to increase my subscriber. Thank you.